literally, we could be talking about jollof rice, and I will bring up a very deep conversation that would be quite meaningful to you. I'm a tea girl. I love tea because it's soft, mostly with ginger. I just like soft vibes, chop life so or girl wife type of vibes.
Big Brother Naija season 10 is heating up, and one housemate, Big Soso, is quietly stealing the spotlight. From her playful personality to her chef vibes in the kitchen, people can't stop talking about her. But here's the bigger question. Why is Big Soso now becoming a fan favorite? And even more importantly, what can brands and creators like us learn from her rise from inside the house? Every season of Big Brother Naija has its unexpected breakout star. This year, that person just might be Big Soso. She's not the loudest, not the most dramatic, and certainly not the one picking the most fights. But somehow, she's winning hearts across Nigeria and even beyond. Today, we'll break down why Big Soso is becoming a fan favorite and what her story teaches us about branding, influence, and connection. Relatability is a currency. In a house where everyone is performing, Big Soso feels refreshingly real. She doesn't come off as over-rehearsed or fake. And she's not trying to dominate conversations or force herself into every camera shot. She's just being herself. And audiences feel that. Scroll through Twitter, TikTok, or IG, and you'll see fans writing things like, "We love Soso's vibe. She's just like my sister at home. No drama, just good energy." And that's powerful because in marketing, people don't buy from the smartest or the richest. They buy from the one who they connect with. And the brand lesson here is relatability is the secret sauce. When you're building a personal brand, sometimes your greatest strength isn't a skill, it's your humanity. Every BBNaija season has a defining trait that makes housemates stand out. For some, it's their fashion. For others, it's the music or their strategy. For Soso, it's food. She's not just cooking because people need to eat. She's cooking because it's how she connects. Every time she's in the kitchen, she's not just preparing meals, she's building bonds. Remember, BBNaija season 2? Ife built his identity with music and it became his story. Soso is doing the same thing but with food. Notice how housemates gather around her when she's cooking. They laugh more, they feel comfortable, they open up. Food is her identity, her brand anchor inside the house. The brand lesson here is when you lean into one thing consistently, people remember you for it. In branding, consistency hits variety. You don't need to do everything. You need to be known for something. Another side of Big Soso is her humor. Watch her dancing in the living room, teasing housemates or cracking small jokes. It's light-hearted, natural, and never feels forced. That's why people share her clips online. Humor is contagious. Think about brands like Wendy's on Twitter or Duolingo on TikTok. They didn't go viral because they spent millions on ads. They went viral because people laughed and shared. Soso's humor makes her approachable. It makes the fans feel like they know her. And the brand lesson here is humor is a growth hack. In the attention economy, what people laugh at, they share. And what they share grows. In a house full of big personalities, Soso stands out by being different. Some housemates thrive on drama, shouting matches, tears, gossip. It's all good TV, but it can also be exhausting. Soso, meanwhile, stays grounded. She's in the kitchen, or she's playing around, or she's having a genuine conversation. She's not the one fueling endless fights. The difference is the strength. And the brand lesson here is differentiation doesn't always mean being the loudest. Sometimes it means holding your lane so consistently that people can't ignore you. In business and branding, sometimes your best move isn't to outshout the competition, it's to own a calm, steady lane that makes people trust you. Now, there's also a psychological angle here. Fans love rooting for someone they can feel safe supporting. Not too controversial, not too extreme. With Soso, people don't feel like they will be attacked online for saying they like her. That's a big deal because in today's culture, supporting someone controversial can backfire. But Soso, she feels like a safe bet. The brand lesson here is, in business, positioning yourself as the safe, trustworthy choice builds long-term loyalty, especially when competitors are seen as unstable or risky. Soso's fan base is growing because of her consistency. If she continues staying true to herself, doubling down on her humor and her food identity, and if she lands one or two viral moments like a powerful speech, a heartfelt confession, or a hilarious, meme-worthy moment, she could easily lock her place in BBNaija history. The brand lesson again is momentum matters. Success isn't about doing 100 things. It's about amplifying the one or two things that are already working. So whether or not Big Soso wins this season, she's already building something bigger. A loyal community. And that's the lesson for all of us, whether you're building a business, a personal brand, or even just your reputation. Relatability, consistency, humor, and safe, trustworthy energy, those are the real keys to influence.
I'm not the type to run away from a fight.
So what can we learn from Big Soso's rise in BBNaija? 3 big lessons. 1. Authenticity wins. You don't need to build a fake persona to connect with people. Being real is the strongest and best brand strategy. Number 2, lean into your unique angle. For Big Soso, it's food. For you, it could be your story, it could be your skill, and it could be your quirks. 3, connection beats performance. While others are performing, the audience will always follow the person that makes them feel something. And here's the bonus one. Fans build the brand with you. Soso's relatability works because her fans amplify it. As a creator, once your audience starts telling your story for you, you've won. Big Soso might just be one of the most surprising housemates of the season. But could this relatability actually help her or take her to the finals, or maybe even help her win the crown? What do you think? Could Big Soso win BBNaija 2025? Drop your comments in the comment section. I'd love to hear your take. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button and share with a friend. And subscribe for more BBNaija storytelling and brand lessons every single week. See you in the next video.